AI. Now, is your general recommendation for folks to get a soil test and pop it into ChatGPT and follow those recommendations, or what?
Yeah, that's a great question. So it's interesting because I hadn't looked at AI for soil testing in a while, but I realized when you get a soil test, it's all these numbers. They're very confusing looking. You don't know how to apply it. So I went on to two different AI platforms. I went on ChatGPT and on Google Gemini, and I gave them the same prompts of saying, here's Mr. Grow It's soil tests. Can you give me a recommendation for this specific plant, this crop, using organic inputs? And they gave me pretty different recommendations. One said, Gemini said, absolutely do not add any compost. And the other one said, ChatGPT said, you need to be adding earthworm castings and compost to this. They gave me different product recommendations. And interesting enough, they did get a few things right. So they were able to recognize that your pH was in a reasonable range for growing plants. It was able to recognize that your overall fertility was too high or on the high end, but it completely missed, both of them completely missed chlorides, which was one of the very first things that Brandon and I noticed looking at your test results as something that will cause a depression of yield and put osmotic pressure on your roots and make it harder for your plant to grow. Your numbers were off the chart. Literally, the Logan Labs doesn't report any higher than 450 ppm, and you were at 450. Who knows how much above that you might have been even. So
yeah, I loved it when I saw the AI responses because they were horrible. They were so bad. You know, they gave a sulfur number as a phosphorus metric. They don't know how to convert to pounds phosphate. They don't realize that it's a manufactured substrate. There were so many things that were wrong on it that honestly, as somebody that does soil analysis for a living, I was like, oh, I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. It was horrible. So yeah. Made me feel great.
You got some job security there, right?
Yeah, soil is an open system, and there are so many factors, cofactors, variables going on. At this point, AI just really is not up to snuff. And, I'm sure it'll get there. And I'm sure it'll get there on the backbone of work that, people like myself and Tad do, unfortunately. But right now, it's not there.
Understood. Yeah, and I wanted to bring that up because I know there are so many people using it these days, and a lot of people just following it blindly. And unfortunately, some people are getting really bad results from it. So definitely be cautious. This clip is brought to you by Stash Nutrients. Use coupon code THESTASH for a discount on your order.